Hi, I'm Rohit. I've been in Singapore from the past 6 years, happily married with 2 kids. I am mostly into the banking industry throughout my tenure here in Singapore. I usually visit All India Supermart to get fresh vegetables and to get all the dry stuff for my kitchen. I also am fond of the fashion, so fashioneries are here on the level 2. My favorite food is Dal Khichdi. This Dal Khichdi is very simple, fast, quick and easy. The specialty about this Dal Khichdi is that whatever is in your fridge, you can put that all in this Dal Khichdi to create a great aroma. Right now I am in the All India Supermart, and whatever we get now, from the dry stuff to green leafy stuff, let's put that in this Dal Khichdi. First ingredient is very important, which is the green chilies. So you see that these are the very small potatoes, nice to cook and would be crunchy after you fry them. Let's find the fresh tomatoes. My beautiful wife is from Delhi, so she came to the Bombay and she was very surprised to see that there was no kitchen. In initial days, we used to ask for the home delivery to go to the restaurant. We did that from the past 30 days, we were doing that. So, but then finally we said that, okay, let's start this kitchen. So she was not knowing anything, she was a totally beginner. And myself, as only expert in the Dal Khichdi, we started, okay, let's start with the Dal Khichdi. We organized a housewarming party on that day. So she cooked mushroom and I made this Dal Khichdi. In fact, the entire kitchen was messy because of my Dal Khichdi. But finally when it came, no one liked that mushroom and everything liked the Dal Khichdi. She thought that I was some kind of a chef, which I had no idea about this cooking. I just knew about this Dal Khichdi, that's it.
There was a birthday on Rohit. There was a birthday event and we thought we must have a good food. Then we made makhan ki dal. Makhan ki dal, I remember my mother asked me, don't eat. What is the problem? But no. First I have brought some silver foil. I will put on it. Then it will become somewhat much more decorated. Oriental milk, then you will eat it. I told mother, but this is not the system. Dal must come. But she told, no. Son is, his birthday is, and God must bless it. Yes, his birthday must be like a silver luster that this silver foil is creating, that eminence, that light that comes. This is one of the symbols of the happy day, the birthday of that day.
This is fast, quick and easy Dal Khichdi.